When you install League of Legends, you might sometimes get stuck on the tutorial patching screen. The patching button may look grayed out, making it seem like nothing is happening. But don't worry, this isn't an error. The game is actually downloading in the background. To check this, open Task Manager and sort the processes by network usage. The process that's actively using your network is the one doing the real patching. The full patch size is around 20 gigabytes, so it's a big download and can take some time, especially on slower internet connections. There's no way to speed up the download itself since it depends entirely on your internet speed. However, you can try resetting your internet modem. This refreshes your connection, and if you're lucky, your speed might improve significantly, just like on this computer where the download speed jumped to more than 50 times faster. Once the download finishes, the patching button disappears, and you can launch the game normally. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.